Hello there guys, and welcome back to another epic inexorable maths video. In this video we're looking at how we're going to find the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. An arithmetic sequence is a sequence of numbers in which the difference between each number is the same number. So for example, here's an arithmetic sequence: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. Because the difference between each term is 1. Here's another one: 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. There you go, that's another one. The difference between those is 2. Here's another one: 20, 15, 10, 5, 0, minus 5. Because the difference between them is negative 5. Okay, so you do have to account for the negatives. Okay, so how do you do it though? Let's say that you get given a sequence of numbers. How do you find the nth term in this arithmetic sequence? Well, we have a formula for it. It says that u sub n, that's what that means, is equal to a plus n minus 1d. Un is the nth term. It's just a fancy notation for the nth term. Un is the nth term. A is the first term in the sequence of numbers, the first one. And finally, d is the difference between each term. So it's, in the sequence, let's say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, d would be 2 because it's going up in 2s as well. Okay, but where does that come from? Where does that formula come from? So let's derive it, okay? So in general, a general arithmetic sequence looks like this: a plus d, a plus d plus d, so a plus 2d, a plus d plus d plus d, so a plus 3d. So you can see whatever the difference is, of course, it's just the first term plus that many lots of the difference. You can see this for yourself, it works. This is the general form of the terms inside of an arithmetic sequence. Okay, and this would just go on for as many times as you need. It could also be an infinite one, and then it would just go on forever. Okay, so how do you find the nth term? Well, the nth term, notice, how many d's do you have? Well, in each sort of term, in the first term, there's 0. In the second, there's 1. In the third, there's 2, etc. So in general, for the nth term, so we'll say the u sub n, it's going to be, there's n minus 1 d's, we know that. Okay, but let's say, let's say we take the third term, a plus 2d, okay. Well, we have 2 lots of d, but what about a? Well, there's an a there as well, so it needs to be a plus n minus 1d, and that's how you get the formula. So here's an example question. We've got the nth term for the sequence 9, 13, 17, 21, 25, 29, 33, ... Okay, and we want to find what the nth term is. So the first thing we need to do is identify what the difference, and by the way, you have to check that it's arithmetic, so is the difference between each number a constant? Yes, it is. And the second thing you need to do then is check what the difference actually is. Well, the difference between each number here is the number 4. Each number is going up in 4s, which means that d is 4. And what's a? The first term is a, which is 9 here. So all you do is you substitute into the formula which we've previously derived, and you end up getting that the nth term, un, is just 9 plus n minus 1 times 4, like this. And of course you can simplify this to get 9 plus 4n minus 4, which is 5 plus 4n, or 4n plus 5, okay? And that's the answer. So for instance, let's say that you wanted, the 100th term or something like that. Obviously that would take a long time to work out, but we have this nice formula. It makes it very easy. So if n was 100, for example, this would be 400 because it's 4n plus 5, so it'd be 405. So don't need to, keep adding everything up forever and ever and ever. That would take ages. There's a nice formula that does it for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I highly appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.